Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael Kusuba. I'm a participant of MMM Nigeria. I'm an undergraduate of MMM Graduates in 2017 batch 8478. So I want to tell you some more about MMM Nigeria. MMM Nigeria is not an investment company. It is a community of ordinary people. Selfless help each other. A global form of mutual help. How can you be a participant of this platform? It's very simple. Number one, you must have an active email account. If you sign up, you provide help. After 30 days, your money will grow 30%. Then you can seek for help. Then when you are being paid, then you need to write your letter of happiness. When I signed up in the email platform 2016, I was not having any money with me. But a friend of mine that introduced me to a email platform, which I told him that for 20 years I don't have any money with me. He said, don't worry, I will lend me 100,000 naira, let me start up with it. Which he gave me 100,000 naira and I signed up with the MMM platform. From 2016 to 2017, guys, I'm a boss of my own at least. I can boast of something. So, with the MMM platform, is generally for everybody, being a working student, an applicant, is open. So, but I can't wait to sign you in. I can't wait to have you register under me. You can also be an eminent participant or be financial free. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. Foreign up and sign up MMM to repay. And if you don't be MMM, my brother, actually, you don't be like MMM. Thank you once again. I just remember Michael.
Okay, these are the basic steps how you can be a participant of MMM. First of all, if you don't have an active email account, you can click your active email account through Google. This is where you put your name, your first name, your last name, choose your username, create your password, confirm your password, your date of birth, day, year, your gender, being a female or a male, your phone number. That is all. Okay, after you have registered your email, you can log into MMM to sign up. When you log into MMM to sign up, you see here and say registration. You see your name, you write your name here, your email you just finished created, your mobile phone number where you can be called, your notification message from MMM can come into your contacts, your password, you put in your password, then you confirm your password. After that, you click on register. Automatically you'll be welcome to MMM platform. After you have been welcome to MMM platform, you click on login. When you click on login, a dialog box will appear with MMM. You enter CAPTCHA. You can type in the numbers. As you can see the number, you type in. After typing the number, you click on login. If you click on login, they will take it automatically to the MMM platform. That's where you can provide help. So when you click on login, another dialog box will come out with two rectangular. As you can see, one rectangular then say your language, which is the general language everybody using is currently English. So you say your email or your phone number. As you can see, there's email here. You can easily put your email here. Again, say password. You put in your password. You click on login. When you click on login, that's how it is done. You can go ahead and click provide help and put in any specific amount you want to use. from 510 upward. You can register, but don't forget that you use your spare money, but there's no guarantee in MMM. Use your spare money. It's a risky package. Thank you. After 1 week or 1 week plus, your order will be sent to you for you to provide help. And when the order shows to you, this is how it will appear on your OP. But when you appear like this one, as you can see, this is an order that has been sent to my account, which have already provide help for another participant, which another participant also receive my help and confirm it. That's why all this thing is being shown green. But when the order coming, it was not like this. It was a rectangular and it was blue all over. So the moment you provide the help and the help have gone to the another participant, it will not show all over green after the confirmation have taken place. Your money grow in 30% per 1 month. So when your money grow for 30% for 1 month, you can seek for help. You click get help. You click get help. You will be merged with another participant who will provide the help for you. That's how this thing is being done. When another participant have been merged to provide help for you, this is how it will show. As you can see, this circle with angle triangle form on it to show the order have been sent to another participant who will provide help for you. And the moment the person provide help and you receive alert, this triangular will become a rectangular and it will be half green to show that you that have received the help have not confirmed it. The moment you are being confirmed, then all over the thing will show in this form. This is how it works. When you receive confirm it, as you can see, this letter of happiness, where your letter can be written and sent to MMM board director or MMM admin. You put your name, as you can see, that's NMBM. My name is Michael, a participant of MMM Nigeria. I got help of 430,000 naira. Thank you, MMM board director. Then after this, you can click on send. Your letter of happiness will automatically go for the MMM board admin. Thank you. This is the MMM platform. As you can see, a picture here. The man that discovered the MMM name, Macrodis, money making boss. This is how the platform is. You see here, that's all this on the dashboard. It's a session. It is possible to you to earn 30% per month here, but this is not a tips. As you can see, register today, join the MMM revolutions, become financially free. We will help you how to register, how to log in, how to provide help, how to get help. This is how the platform is. MMM is truly real. MMM is truly pay. There's no platform that you can compare it with MMM. How MMM, my money grow in 30% per month. Yeah, it's true. Your money will grow in 30% per month. The how the platform is. There's no secret thing about MMM. MMM is open to everybody, being a worker, students, applicants, non-employees. So you can participate on MMM. Thank you. I should remember that Michael Yusova, participant of MMM Nigeria and undergraduate of MMM Guidance School by 24 Circle 24. Thank you.